Welcome to the Carolina Beat. In the studio today we have Coastline Insurance Associates President Jonathan Peel, and today we are talking on ways to save on your insurance. How are you, my friend?
Very good.
Alrighty, I'm sure most people want to know at home, how do the insurance companies determine their rates for homeowners and auto insurance? And I want to know that too.
Yeah, we get
because I swear I pay too much.
Yeah, we get this question all the time, and really, the numbers aren't just falling out of the sky. Insurance companies spend a lot of time and a lot of money looking at things like the location of your house, for example.
Yes.
What year your house was built in. Is it a brick house? Is it a frame house? And when it comes to auto insurance, they're looking at things like, how many years of driving experience do you have? How many speeding tickets do you have? Have you ever been in a wreck? So they're taking all this data to really formulate the rates.
Okay, I'm going to go off script here for a little bit because I literally, as most people know, just moved to Atlanta. Had to change my car insurance, but they wanted to give me a discount if I put that little thing in my car. Whatever that was.
Right.
And I thought, are you crazy? I'm the worst driver in America.
Right.
You know, my rates will go through the roof.
Right. Well, this has become very popular with insurance companies. What they're trying to do is they'll give you a device to put in your car, or now we're seeing a lot of companies actually provide an app. And what they're trying to do is they're actually trying to gather data, not just from you, but from all the drivers that participate in this. And that's why they're giving you a discount, because with that data, they think they can set the rates at even at a better modeling, for example.
Okay, your advice, professional advice, would you put that in your car?
Absolutely.
Okay.
At least in North Carolina, the insurance commissioner will not allow them to increase an individual's rates for having this device or the app on the phone.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Yeah, well, all it can do is help you.
All right, maybe I should have done it.
Yeah.
Okay, what about discounts are available for homeowners?
Okay.
And is there such a thing?
Yeah, good question. So homeowners are seeing discounts if they have a hip roof, which is kind of interesting in the coastal area. Hip roofs meet in 3 sections instead of the traditional 2. So I'll use my hands, but the traditional roof is an A-frame. It meets in 2 sections.
Right.
A hip roof is actually rounded and it meets in 3 sections. It holds. It actually does better during windstorms like hurricanes.
Yes.
Other discounts may be new purchase discounts. Insurance companies want your business, and if you're buying a new house, in order to get your business, they'll give you a discount. Okay. People living in gated, guarded communities are getting discounts.
Okay, do you suggest every time your insurance is up for renewal, trying to see other insurance company offers? Is that what you suggest to your clients, or do you suggest go for the cheapest price?
Yeah, never go for the cheapest price.
Okay.
There are a lot of times where you really need to evaluate. I usually advise my clients about every other year or every 3 years, let's review your coverage, unless you notice a big spike in premium. But the insurance companies, they really are trying to price themselves where they can not only be competitive but fair in the marketplace. So prices are always going to be volatile, but it's not always about price. Sometimes it's about the insurance company and their claim service.
And what it's covering.
That's right.
One of our viewers wrote in, do insurance claims really affect your premiums?
Well, great question. The answer is it depends.
Okay.
Okay. If it's a weather claim or an act of God, for example, typically insurance companies are not going to increase your rates for that. If it's a claim like theft or fire, where you may have had a little responsibility for that loss, you could see an increase in your premiums.
What do you think about bundling your insurance? We see it all the time. We see the ads.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you this. The big insurance companies are spending billions of dollars on advertising, and they're using the fancy word bundling. I can promise you they're not spending that kind of money to save you money. It's really although the discount does exist, there is some psychology behind that, some sales psychology, and there are some discounts. So I'm not going to completely discredit it, but it is a little interesting.
Well, as always, you always give us great bits and pieces and what's going on behind the scenes.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. If you want to find out about Coastline Insurance Associates, Mr. Jonathan Peel, he'll walk you through, and his associates as well, on ways to save on your insurance. All the information's on the screen.